How are we all doing today? Alright, today's Sunday, so we're going to try and do our curry. So this is a continuation on from my last video of how to make the curry base. So this is how we do a chicken madras from scratch. So let's start off with a few ingredients. Obviously you have your chicken. I've got 3 breasts here that I've just diced. Here is my curry base that I made out of yesterday. And then now I'm going to go around just a few items that we got here. So this here is a garlic and ginger paste, which is literally 50% garlic, 50% ginger, and then minced together. Here I've just got some regular tomato paste. And then as I go around here, so this one here is a Kasoori Methi. Then I've got some Garam Masala, some cumin, some coriander, some turmeric, and then the one you probably can't see is a little bit of salt right there. So we're going to start frying this up in the frying pan. So we're going to start with the frying pan. We're going to get that on high heat, and then we'll start cooking. Alright everyone, let's try and get this madras on the go. Hoping that the fan's not going to be too loud, but anyway, going to start off with around about a couple of tablespoons of oil in the pan just to get it going. Got the heat on extra high, so let's just give it a quick wash round. Get that to cook nice and hot. First of all, we're going to go straight in now with 1 tablespoon of our garlic and ginger paste. I'm not wanting this to burn too much, so I'm taking that heat nice. Now we're going to go in with approximately 1 tablespoon of tomato puree or tomato paste. Then I'm going to start up with the spices, so in with the masala. Give that a quick mix up, get those spices really going. And then we're going to add in approximately about a 1/4 cup of water. Let's get that all brought up to the boil. So 1/4 cup is probably about 200 mils of water. Get this into a nice paste. Start cooking all those spices through. Then we're going to go in with our chicken. So, like I said, this is 3 chicken breast that we've got. So now we're going to cook this for probably 3 to 4 minutes until all the chicken has changed colour. So as you can see, this is about halfway through and it's slowly starting to change its colour. So just keep stirring it, let it sit for a couple of seconds and get all this chicken cooked through. We're nearly about there, so now I'm going to add in all of our spices that we had from earlier and give it another 2-3 minutes to cook through with all these spices now. And this is where the flavour will start coming together and you'll smell that flavour change virtually instantly, and it's going to start cooking into all this wonderful chicken now. So keep stirring it for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, now the last thing to add, our 400 millilitres of that curry base that we made. Let's get that in. And then we're going to get all this stirred in. We're then going to turn it down to a low to medium heat and let this simmer for about 15 minutes. And there we go. Somebody once asked me, how can you tell a good curry that's homemade proper to other people's. If you actually look, it's actually nice and glossy, and there's no water or oil on the top because you basically cooked it all into your food. Serve this up with some rice and some garlic naan breads. Have a great day.